To get the most out of your EXACOR panels, be sure you store them properly before installing. EXACOR panels are shipped with a plastic protective cover. Keeping panels under cover and out of the elements until the time of installation is required. Always use personal protective equipment on the job site or when handling EXACOR panels. Always use proper lifting techniques. 2 persons are recommended when lifting, carrying, or handling EXACOR panels. Hold panels with hands spaced apart along the long edge of the panel to prevent excessive bending or flexing. Before installing EXACOR panels, check the existing subfloor for flatness. Any imperfections in the framing and existing subfloor should be addressed prior to installing EXACOR panels. Once the existing subfloor is flat, dry, and free of any debris that would interfere with the bonding of EXACOR underlayment to the subfloor, you can begin installing EXACOR underlayment panels. There is one final segment to this series on EXACOR underlayment: installation of half-inch EXACOR underlayment. For more installation information when using EXACOR panels, visit our website at EXACOR.com.